M0FXB. Check out this repeater enclosure by Zerofox 3D. So we've got a little Meshtatic device here, or Meshcore. Okay, now with the Meshcore firmware, you can program your device, your Heltec version 3, to be a repeater in seconds. But if you're going to put it outside, and here we're not actually using an external antenna, I would say, but if you're going to put it outside, yeah, look at that up on your tree. We've all got a tree or something high near our home, maybe a bit of some guttering, you can see there. Now there's a whole network of Meshcore repeaters. Now you do need to select the right sort of area or frequency for your area. Mine is on 868 now, UK narrow. That's been recommended. I'm Southwest UK. So inside the enclosure, look, you can put those 18650 batteries, yeah, and you've got all the circuitry there. But if you look really close, yeah, it's basically a node that's powered, isn't it? So I'm scrolling down, N-type connector as well, up on the roof. So I'll put the link in, and I would really advise you look back into, if you've got a node, take it out of your drawer, reload, but this time try, I'm not knocking Meshtatic, but try Meshcore, okay? They're now calling them Meshcore, calling them sort of companion messaging devices. And there's maps, of course, and location and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Let me just quickly show you a couple of nodes that I bought, but you should be able to use the one you've got. Heltec version 3s, 4s. I know there's a few different makes. Massive thanks to Zerofox 3D for their products. Check them out, and I've got one here if I can find it, one of these red ones, and you know, they've got these T-Deck, LilyGo T-Deck, which I've got on the way actually. You can download the files, 3D print files, look, and look, says here, well, just check out yourself for what's charged for and what's free. Very professional. So I just assembled a couple of these ones here, and this was purely because I just really like the look of them, and it was £60 for 2 nodes. I've already programmed one to be a companion, they call it, and massive thanks to Andy KIRBY in his videos. That's my companion one there. Just about to program one now to be a repeater, and just go over to Meshcore, see here, check out all their links, and if you go over here, it says web flasher. You scroll down, you choose the one, you know, connect your serial connection, choose the one you want, Heltec version 3 for example, and then just burn. You can erase it if you want to. Now if you choose one and you want a repeater, yeah, okay, just here, look, you've got companion Bluetooth, which is the one we'd all normally use, but if you choose repeater, just remember that once you've done it, and there's your little erase flash tick box, once you've done it, just remember you're only going to be able to sort of tell it what to do and sort of, I don't know, configure it using the USB cable connected, okay? They'll probably change that eventually, but that's the way it's working at the moment, okay? So thanks for watching. Love all these different devices, and it's part, I feel like it's a real massive part of the whole. And yeah, look, I'm considering getting one so I can get it, configure it, install it. Is that a USB-C charge on the side? On-off button there. There you go, some nice pics there, N-type connector. Can't see where the actual solar panel is, but I'm sure I will learn. Thanks loads. I'm sure it probably just sticks to the side, doesn't it? And you can buy them. I've got one here. So I've definitely got one already here. A solar panel that I was going to solder some wires to and get it powering one of my nodes. Enjoy the hobby. It's great fun. 7 free all the